They said too strange, not safe to sell. Red lines drawn when my colors fell. Emails stacked like closed off doors. Not a fit, not what we're looking for. I tried to bend, I tried to blend. Cut my edges, lost my friends. In rooms that wanted quiet clones, I felt loud alone. So I wrote it down, what I learned the hard way. Caught a few souls who still wanna play. If the big doors won't let me in, I'll build one that swings. I'm the hinge, I open once for myself. I don't flow with the crowd, I turn to find my sky. I'm the hinge, I move when others won't. Not made to follow lines, I pivot into light. Open it,
open it.
concrete floor, borrowed tools, paint on hands, breaking rules. Hammers laugh, ideas shake, every wobble's a risk we take. Strangers walk in, try the door, stay for more than they came for. I see sparks in unfamiliar eyes, they don't need permission to try. Here, nothing has to stand still. You can swing, you can fail, you can feel. Every angle tells the truth, there's room for you. I'm the hinge, I open once for myself. Not right or wrong, just turning alive. I'm the hinge, I don't lock my name. I swing between fear and brave. I wasn't built to be the door, I was built